This is like David Matthews' song. So, one more trip in Southeast Asia this time. Vietnam. Spicy, exotic, nice, beautiful. What can I say about this country? It's my first time here in Hanoi and I will show you something around. So, one more time, come with me and let's see what this crazy city have to show to us. A lot of motorcycle, lot of cars. They have their own rules. Sometimes they don't respect the traffic lights so much. I will show you something. Found some good alley here. Looks they have a very good food around here, so let's try it. Hello, how are you? Hello. Nice. Super special place I found here in Hanoi. This is udon? Não. Como é que chama esse tipo? Bom? This is bom and have spicy and garlic, and then I mix it here. And now I hope everything ends fine today. The way that I like. Strong taste, meat, bone, spicy and garlic. Delicious. This is like David Matthews' song. Ain't smarting. People in every direction. Cars end up on the sidewalk. People in every direction. No words exchanged, no time. If you want to cross the street here, you have to take driver's license. That's the way you can cross the street. Look, food everywhere. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Cheaper, cheaper. No tengo plata.
welcome to Halong Bay. Right now, one Vietnamese rap song for everybody on the cruise, okay?
Yeah! Amazing, bro.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Italy, Italia.
From Germany. Relax with the camera.
Moin.
We are from Poland. My name is Zelek. I'm 42 and my two daughters, Miłka and Dobrusia, 3 and 8, and my wife Joanna.
It was a pleasure to meet you, and I hope we can meet in some other beautiful place like this.
Yeah, enjoy
Okay.
the trip. It was
too,
nice to
man.
meet you too.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning, Hanoi. Already 7:50 in the morning, and today my last day here in Vietnam. Yesterday we went to Halong Bay, and today we are going to another place, one day trip called Ninh, Binh. So come with me and see how it will look like. Inside the cave of Vietnam. Hello. Last day, and we are coming back to Japan. Look at that. And this side. What could be better? On the top there, have a cave, the King Kong cave. Our rider said that King Kong movie was some kind of filmed here, and they took this place as inspiration to do the movie. So really exotic jungle. I hope I can be back many times. This is awesome thing here in Vietnam, because have people from everywhere, every part of the world you can meet here, and highly recommend. Exotic food, nice people, they are welcome you. If you come here, you will be very welcome. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next time, and please press all those buttons under here. All those buttons is for free. Choose.